warning for Central Dallas County, East Central Polk County, Laclede County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Buffalo, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and baseball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Bennett Springs State Park, Buffalo, Morgan, Phillipsburg, Halfway, Bennett Springs, Twin Bridges, Windyville, Lynchburg, Sleeper, Falcon, Goodson, Long Lane, and Dry Knob. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 113 and 144. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Dallas, Laclede, and Polk.